Greetings, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Earth's Medicine, where we explore powerful plants for health and healing with a Jamaican flavor. If you're new to the channel, my name is Monique and I'm a 51-year-old plant enthusiast from Jamaica. So today we're pretty much going to be diving into watercress, which is a nutrient-packed aquatic vegetable that has been used for generations in folk medicine to treat a list of ailments, including hair issues. Specifically, we're going to be talking about why watercress is so powerful for promoting hair growth, some scientific evidence to back up what is shared, how to use it for hair growth, and some precautions to consider before using it. If you're struggling with hair thinning, breakage, or slow growth, keep watching because this plant might just be the natural solution you need. Watercress is the common name for a plant that is scientifically known as Nasturtium officinale. It's a fast-growing aquatic or semi-aquatic leafy green vegetable that belongs to the mustard family, which also includes cabbage, kale, and cauliflower. It's considered one of the oldest vegetables in the world. It's native to India, Europe, Africa, and Western Asia, but is cultivated all over the world, including here in Jamaica. Watercress thrives in cool, shallow, and slow-moving freshwater environments such as streams, springs, and riverbanks. It has small, round, dark green, shiny leaves, and it has a strong, peppery flavor which is similar to wasabi or horseradish. Watercress has been valued for its healing properties for centuries. In fact, Hippocrates, known as the quote-unquote father of modern medicine, built his first hospital near a stream abundant with watercress, believing it would aid in treating and healing his patients. In some traditional systems of medicine, watercress has a long-standing reputation as an effective hair tonic, helping to promote thick hair growth. Watercress has a very dense nutritional content. It's a powerhouse of minerals and antioxidants, including vitamins A, B1, B2, B6, iron, calcium, and iodine, all of which contribute to a healthy scalp and strong hair. Its vitamin C, K, and A content helps to nourish the scalp, creating the ideal environment for hair growth and overall hair health. It's rich in vitamin E, which enhances blood circulation and oxygen flow to the scalp, keeping hair follicles nourished and promoting growth. In addition, watercress is rich in iron, which also helps with oxygen delivery to hair follicles. Furthermore, iron-rich foods like watercress can help prevent iron deficiency, which has been linked to hair thinning and loss. Glucosinolates are a type of phytochemicals found in watercress. These compounds, along with the vitamins and minerals found in watercress, can help to reduce scalp inflammation and improve blood circulation, thereby supporting optimal conditions for hair growth. Its zinc and sulfur content can help prevent bacterial infections that can affect the scalp and hair, supporting stronger, healthier strands. It can also moisturize the scalp and cut down on dryness that can cause dandruff. Watercress also has natural cleansing properties that help to remove excess oil, dirt, and product buildup, leaving hair refreshed and free from residue. So, watercress can help to keep scalp healthy. It can strengthen hair follicles, stimulate blood circulation to the scalp, help to fight dandruff and scalp irritation, reduce hair shedding and breakage, and it can add shine and thickness. When it's used regularly, watercress can stimulate hair growth, reduce hair fall, and improve scalp health. It's also great for fighting dandruff and soothing inflammation on the scalp, making it a fantastic choice for overall hair care. Although research on watercress for hair health is still limited, several studies have explored its potential benefits. One study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that applying watercress extract topically stimulated dermal papilla cells in mice, which are essential for hair follicle development and growth. Another study, featured in the International Journal of Trichology, examined the effects of a hair tonic containing watercress extract on individuals with androgenetic alopecia. The results showed a significant improvement in hair density and a reduction in hair loss, suggesting that watercress may be an effective natural treatment for hair-related concerns. In traditional medicine, watercress leaf juice is applied topically for the growth of thick hair. Both watercress leaves and seeds can be eaten to support hair health from within. Watercress leaves can be consumed raw or cooked. They can be used to make soups, salads, sandwiches, omelets, and smoothies. Watercress seeds can be sprouted and consumed in salads. They have a mustardy flavor and can be used in the powdered form as mustard. Additionally, watercress leaves and seed oil extract can also be used externally. Watercress leaf extract can be used as a natural hair tonic, or it can be used as a homemade hair mask. You can make a homemade mask by blending a generous amount of watercress leaves with half a cup of coconut oil until you achieve a smooth, even consistency. Apply the mixture to your scalp, gently massaging with your fingertips into circular motions for about 5 minutes to enhance absorption. Let the mask sit for an hour, allowing your hair to soak up the nutrients. Then wash thoroughly with a shampoo suited to your hair type and rinse with lukewarm water. Watercress seed oil extract can also be added to your shampoo. This can be done by placing 2 to 3 drops of watercress seed oil extract into your shampoo, or you can use a shampoo that contains watercress as an ingredient. You can also get a conditioner that contains watercress as an ingredient. Watercress seed oil extract can also be diluted with a carrier oil and massaged into the scalp and hair to help get rid of dandruff and bacterial infections on the scalp. You can also add watercress seed oil extract to your hair pack and apply it before washing your hair. Watercress is generally safe for most people when consumed in food quantities or used medicinally for short periods. However, excessive or prolonged use may lead to stomach discomfort or kidney issues. If you have an underlying medical condition or you're taking prescribed drugs, please consult your healthcare provider before using watercress. If you have a sensitive stomach, watercress can cause you to have an allergic reaction. If you experience unpleasant symptoms after using it, please stop using it and consult your medical doctor. Watercress can worsen intestinal disorders like ulcers. Pregnant women should not use it as it may start bleeding and result in a miscarriage. Breastfeeding mothers should avoid the use of watercress as it may affect both child and the mother. Caution is advised when consuming watercress grown in the wild because it will soak up pollutants from the water source from which it grows. It's best not to consume raw plants that grow in water sources exposed to runoff from grazing areas, especially where sheep are present, as they may carry the liver fluke parasite. So there you have it. Watercress is one of nature's best kept secrets for hair growth. Whether you use it in the form of a hair tonic or you apply it as a hair mask, this powerful herb can transform your hair health naturally. Have you ever used watercress for hair? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Earth's Medicine for more herbal remedies. Also, don't forget to turn on your notification bells so you will be alerted whenever we upload our next video. Until next time, stay healthy, stay blessed, and keep embracing nature's medicine.